So good morning everyone. Today we are going to do the question number 4 of exercise 1F. See the question. Copy and rearrange the following number in ascending order. To arrange the number in ascending order, we have to compare the number smallest to greatest. So which is the smallest number? The case one is we have to count the number of digit. Okay, so let me count the number of digit. In this it is having 5 digit, here also 5, this is also 5, this is also 5 digit, and this is also 5. Leaving only 8,300. 8,300 is having the 4 digit. So the smallest number in this group is 8,300. So we have to write 8,300 first. Because in the ascending order, we have to arrange the number from the smallest to greatest. Now leaving this number, we have to compare with the other rest of the number. So see this 3 number. 19,516, 17,410 and 11,500 are having one from first number from left hand side. So we have to compare the next digit. 11,500 is having the next digit is also 1, but here is 9 and here is 7. So which is the smallest? From these 3 number, 11,500. So 11,500 has to be written here. Now the leaving these 2 number, we have to compare with the rest of the number. 75,000 and 68 are the bigger, we know. We have to compare with the 19,516 and 17,410. We know that from the left hand side, first digits is having the same number. So see this, compare with the second digit. Second digit here is 7 and here is 9. So this is 19,000, here it is 17,000. 17,410 is smaller than 19,516. So 17,410 will come next. Now we have to compare with the 68,300, 75,830 and 19,560. When we will see the first digits 7, 6 and 1. 1 is the smallest. So 19,516 is smallest from these 3 numbers. So this has to be written here. Then compare with 75,830 and 68,300. When we are comparing these 2 numbers, we have to see the first number. The first digit in this is having 7 and here it is 6. So 68,300 is smaller than 75,000 and 75,830 has to be written at last because this is the greatest number. By this you have to arrange from smallest to greatest. Here is the B part of that question is given, which you have to do by your own. Now see the question number 5. Copy and rearrange the following number in descending order. When we have to arrange the number in descending order, we have to arrange the number from the greatest to smallest. So you have to find the greatest number in this group. 12,517, 18,473, 10,109, 20,718, 30,000 and 17,510. After observing these numbers, we have to know that all the numbers is having the 5 digit. So we have to compare the first digit from the left hand side. Here is also 1. In this question, this number is also the first digit is 1. Here is also 1. Here is 2 and here is 3 and here is again 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 number is having 1 as a first digit from the left hand side, but other 2 remaining digit, that 20,017 and 30,000 is having 2 and 3 from the left hand side. So 30,000 is greater than 20,000 and rest of the number. So 30,000 will come first, then 20,718 will come second number. Then we have to compare the remaining, which is having first number as 1. Okay, so see the next number. Here it is 2, then 8, 0 and 7. So which is greater? 18,473. 18,473 is the greatest from these 4 number. After leaving this, we have to compare with this 3 number. When we are comparing, 17,500 will be greatest from these 3 numbers. So 17,510 has to be written. Then we have to compare with remaining 2 number, that is 12,517 and 10,109. So we came to know 12,517 is greater than 10,109. So 12,571 has to be written first and 10,109 is the smallest number which has to be written at the last. Okay. Now tick the least number in each of the following set of numbers. So numbers are given and you have to find the least or the smallest number. So first number I am reading for you is 67,203, then 67,203, 60,825, 48,718, 56,901. So we have to compare the number by seeing the number from its left hand side. When we are seeing the number from left hand side, these two numbers are having 6, 6. Here it is 4 and 5. So which is having the less number? Which number is having less? 4. This 48,718. This is the smallest number in this group. See here, 72,803, 24,200, 31,995, 49,856. Okay, so we have to see the first digit of the number because all numbers are having the same number of digit. So 7 is here and here it is 2, 3, 4. When we compare these four numbers, we found that 2 is the smallest. So 24,200 is the smallest number from this group. Now the question number 7. Pick the numerals which represent the greatest number in each of the following set of number. There are 4 set of a number. So see the number carefully. First number is 26,103, then 24,988, 37,012 and 39,500. So first we have to see the first number. These two number is having 2 as a first digit from the left hand side, and these two number is having the 3 first number from the left hand side. So we know that the 3 is the greater than 2 and we have to find the greatest number. So we have to compare with these two number, not with this, because these are smaller from this. Okay, so the first digit are same, so we have to compare with the next digit. In this next digit is 7 and here it is 9. So this 39,500 is greater than these 4 numbers. Okay, so B you have to do by comparing like this. So 86,103 is written here, so you compare and write the successor of each of the following numbers. Successor means to add 1 to the given number. The first number is 12,818, so you have to add 1 with this add 8, so you will get 9 here and other number will remain as usual. So 12,819 is the successor of 12,818. Now see here 23,880. When we will add 1 to this 0, we will get 1 only and other numbers will remain same. So 23,881 is the successor. See the third one, 17,115. When we will add 1 to this 5, it will become 6. So 17,116 is the next number to the given number, or we can say successor. Next question is write the predecessor of each of the following number. When we want to find the predecessor, we have to subtract 1 or minus 1 from the given number. The given number is 23,008. When we will subtract 1 from this 8, it will become 7 and another number will remain same because there is no need to take borrow and all. So 23,007. Here see here 46,118. So when you are subtracting 1 from the 8, again you are getting 7 here. So the number will become 46,170. Here is the twist. It is given 40,000. So before the 0, we know the number containing 9. Okay. So when you will subtract 1 from this 0, you have to borrow from 3. So here will be 9. Here will be 10. Then you have to borrow here. So here will be 10. When you are borrowing here to here, it will convert into 9 and here will be 3. Again here is 9 and here is 10. Then again here is 9 and here will be 10. And 10 minus 1 is 9. And other place 9993. So 39,999. See the last question. The approximate cost of 5 cars available in the India are Maruti Suzuki Alto 3,05,000, Hyundai Grand i10 4,91,000, Renault Kwid is 3,23,000, Hyundai Eon 3,28,000, and Ford Figo is 4,83,000. Write the names of cars in ascending order of their prices. First you have to see the prices. According to the price you have to write the number in ascending. Ascending means smallest to greatest. So we have to see compare the digit. All these are having 6 digits. So we have to see the number from the left hand side. So when we will compare, we found that these two are having 4 as a first digit from the left hand side. So come to the next. Here it is 8 and here it is 9. So this is the greatest number and this is the second greatest number. Okay. Now we have to find the smallest one. So smallest we have to see from this number which is having 3 in its first number from the left hand side. Here it is 3, this is also 3, this is also 3. So see the next number. Here it is 0, 2 and here is 2. So 0 is smaller. So this first number has this Maruti Suzuki Alto will has to become first. Then compare with this 2. 3, 2, 3, 2 both are same. Then come to the next number. Here it is 3, here it is 8. 3 is smaller. This is the 2 second and this is third number. Okay. Because these two number are having 4, I have told already. Compare with this number. It has having 9 and it has 8. So 9 is greater than 8. So this has to become as 4. And this is fifth one. Okay. So arrange according to its price. Maruti Suzuki Alto, then Renault Kwid, Hyundai Eon, Ford Figo and Hyundai Grand Item. Okay. I hope you will understand the successor, predecessor, comparing the number, greatest, larger, everything. Okay.